Yeah. For real, look, you gotta know I want you. I'm trying to be better than nigga making calls, this gun tucked in my letterman. Jack it up, pack it up on this motherfucking avenue. You know what I had to do was selling a pack of two. The money was all there, wasn't a fortune. Tenants talking eviction, she stepping all on our doorstep. So I hit the corner, hustling out for Jordans. You up on my trap phone, talking these abortions. Ah, baby, you know that all of this shit is for you, baby. I hit that corner for us. Though I be bummy and scummy through wires and fire, you know I be on it for us. Shorty, when I'm in that there, I'ma win that there. I wear a king struggle till I'm sitting in that chair. Yeah, so just promise that you never forget me. And when you see me, you better accept me. Remember the crew on the glow up, everything on the show up. Sell it till the dough up, try and get all the dough up. I could take you Carabana, we could fuck a float up. Came a long way from trying to hustle a foe up. Picture you sitting up in that kitchen, you cooking, doing the dishes. I'm in the room weighing dope up. Shit's changed, I done came from the pain. So when you see me, promise that you do the same, shawty.
And when the things change, you'll still be the same. And when things change, you'll still call my name. As a nigga, shawty, I'm sorry, tryna change. You know things change, yeah.
And I'm just trying to be better. With this knot in my sweater, I hit the avenue and grind for the cheddar. For that bread, for that beef, that lettuce, I'm working. Even when it ain't worth it, I bring you that burger. Gotta know that we be flipping dope. The coppers was on corners watching, so we getting ghosts. But it's you on top of my mind when I'm in the corner hustling with all of my niggas. You gotta know I gotta hit the fool. But look, you knew the vision, I gotta hustle the dream. My niggas hustle the scheme, just trying to hustle something. And that's injustice it seems. All of us from the bottom, so when we got it, gotta know that it's us over everything, nigga. All time nigga, all time nigga. Shorty fuck me like I'm your long time nigga. Make them all forget you, they got Alzheimer's, nigga. And they say they want you, it's a long line, nigga. If they don't see you, then they all blind niggas. I mean, it's either that or I'm a sharp-eyed nigga. Cause I see you and I think, baby, we a duo. Selling shatter, get our pockets fatter than a sumo. NWO, that's the way we team up. You deserve an award to get your body link up. You ain't scared to check me on corners while I be on it. And you know it's with up, bad man, I link up. Man, out the things up, but it ain't about that. It's about you and nothing else, cause I'm about that. You ain't just pop out the sky, had to scout that. Just a few reasons why you should never doubt that. Fargo, and it's no one better. Used to show up at your house in that Shogun leather. Used to push a Honda Accord in the 01 weather. Now me and you in that race feel so much better, don't it? We came up together. It's only right we Rolls Royce the lane up together. It's only right we VVS the chain cuts together. And promise me you gon' give me that same love forever. I swear, I ain't tryna play musical chairs. I ain't here judging, I'm tryna come through in the clear. Fuck you, put two in the air, fingers all through in your head. Tell me you love it. End of the day, I'm just a T.O. nigga. I'm just trying to do better for you. Trying to be the best, so it ain't nothing better for you. You know how I feel. Fuck.